Sanibonani bafethu, ezibuhlungu aziphili bafethu. Today uKharishma bafethu was in a car accident. And mawuhlala phansi ubheka na last year around this time she was in a car accident.
Ya Kharishma lapha bafuna ukukhipha yena. Mawusaphefumula yena awusho mfana abantu.
Yayibona into leyo. So bafethu usino December manje into ebalekile abantu bangazibheka bafethu bazinakekele. And abantu abaningi manje sebenjoy kakhulu ubumi alcohol, and then noba usubu driver make sure ukuthi asiprotect. Uyayibona into leyo. Make sure ukuthi asiprotect. Uyayibona into leyo. So into ebalekile bafethu ukuthini ukuthi yonke into eyenzakalayo kumele senze sure ukuthi siyaziprotect nje sokusina December kanje. Yabo, because yabona into endiyibonile la kula video le bafethu ngoba kuthiwa udriver wakhona ushonile but uKharishma usaphefumula bamgijimisela esibhedlela. Like into ebuhlungu kakhulu le bafethu yabo. And then abantu ugqiba udropha i-album yakhe or EP yakhe. There's a project egqiba udrop emnandi kanjani bafethu, emnandi kanjani bafethu. And emase kwenzeka lokho kwenzakalayo manje sure bafethu ukuthi game bafethu ishi kuningi okwenzakalayo bafethu. And esikhathini samanje kumele sizibhekeni zabantu, even ama-artist kumele azibheke bafethu, kumele azibheke ama-artist bafethu, because umona ubuhlungu kabi omningi umona bafethu. And manje bembhekile manje begqibela nominate be-ama-artist bebhaya bafethu, benominate iWilly Kompo bafethu. Uyayibona into leyo. And abanye abantu phela bayasaba masekanje, bayasaba abanye abantu masekanje bafethu. So bangenza noma yini for winners zonke lento lezi. Competition is very tough bafethu lapha kule Kompo bafethu. It's very high food bafethu. And abanye abantu benze noma yini just uzibona bese on the safe side. And bengenza noma yini ukuzibona bedlula abanye abantu. Niyayibona into leyo bafethu. So into ebalekile kuyo yonke izama ukuyitsho lana bafethu ukuthini ukuthi makuvula umqondo abantu angithola especially ama-artist bangabi naive. Into spirituality ikhona iyenzeka. You understand? Abanye abantu bangagadla spiritual but physical bebehleka nawe. Niyayibona into le. Anditsho ukuthi ugadlwe spiritual sendiyatsho ukuthi abanye abantu bayagadlwa spiritual but umuntu face to face uhleka nawe. Wena utshela ukuthi akuthanda, utshela ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle kanti cha akukho njalo. Yonke into ayenzayo uyakulandelela isimo somoya, uyakulandelela isimo somoya, ufuna ukubona ungafika kumele ufike lapho. So zama ukuthini uma-artist abamele video